Hello friends and fellow Disney fans, welcome back to the Jamie Thomas Show. Today we're going to be checking out, doing a room tour and review of the Concierge 5-sleeper suite with Veranda on Disney's newest cruise ship, the Disney Wish. So recently, Jamie and I and the family, we got to check out Disney's newest cruise ship, the Disney Wish, and we also got to tour most of the room categories, different suites that they have on the ship, and we just wanted to bring you a quick room review, room tour of the one-bedroom Concierge with Veranda suite that sleeps up to 5 people. I'm really excited to show this to you, but before we get into all of that, just wanted to let you know a little bit about the channel. My wife is a travel agent who specializes in Disney vacations. She is the namesake of this channel, Jamie Thomas, and so every week we just come to bring you a little bit of Disney magic with room tours, reviews, even sometimes vlogs, just to help you have the most magical experience possible on your next Disney vacation. With all that said, let's get into touring the Concierge level 1-bedroom suite on the Disney Wish. So we're looking at room 12526, that's suite 12526. As you walk into the suite, on your right is the first of 2 bathrooms. I love the brightness of it. I love the colors of it. It doesn't feel like a cruise ship bathroom. And of course, you gotta love that kind of marble look with the rainfall shower. Now, all throughout the video, you'll see touches of Tangled. That's because this is the Rapunzel suite. As you enter into the suite, you'll notice kind of the dining area, beautiful light in the center of it. And separating the living room from the dining room is this just kind of separator that actually folds down into a single bed. Now, right in the entryway hallway beside the dining room table there is a closet for clothes, as well as the safe to store valuables for the room. Absolutely love the living room with the nice size TV, couch that folds down into a bed and then walks right into the master bedroom. How beautiful is the master bedroom? Side tables for both people sleeping there, beautiful TV at the end of the bed, and of course both the living room and the master suite walk right out onto the veranda. I love how there is an entrance onto the veranda from both the living room and the master suite. Now, as we head back into the master suite, you can see there, again, more art inspired by and taken from Tangled. You have plenty of room to get ready, plenty of shelving, places to store clothes items. But if you think that's a lot of storage, check this out. You've got a beautiful double walk-in closet, plenty of space to store all of your clothes, all of your needs. And if you walk through that, you end up in the master bathroom, which is absolutely gorgeous. Have you ever seen anything like this on a cruise ship? Double his and hers vanity. Unbelievable tile artwork, again from Tangled for the tub. Not only do you have a tub, but of course you have a separate walk-in shower, rainfall, absolutely gorgeous. And then of course right next to that is the commode, which has its own door for privacy purposes. Just beautifully, wonderfully designed and thought through. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully it helped you just experience a little bit of the Disney Wishes magic wherever you're at today. Maybe you watched that and you're thinking, I'd kind of like to stay there. Well, listen, why not reach out to my wife, Jamie Thomas? As I said earlier in the video, she is a travel agent who specializes in Disney vacations. She just comes alongside you as you help, as you start to just plan your way through a Disney trip, and she just works really as concierge to help you have the most magical vacation vacation possible. Best of all, when you book through her, her services are completely free. So the easiest way to reach out to her is by email. You can email her at jamie@clickthemouse.ca. That's again, jamie@clickthemouse.ca, or you can reach her on her website, clickthemouse.ca/JamieQuote. When you reach out to her, she'll get back to you real quickly, and she'd just love to help you experience everything you saw in this video in person for yourself. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. We are back every weekend with new Disney content, so make sure to subscribe and check back with us next week. Bye.